Here you can see folding staircase, or we can call it as chain staircase. It is actually there is no slab below the staircase. This is the type of staircase in which all the bar bendings are tailing up the bar bending done through the links or chains. There will be no waste slab for this staircase. Here we call it as a tread. This part we call it as a riser. So usually the riser should be from 5 to 6 inches so that it will be feasible for elder person to climb the stairs comfortably. Here we have created a staircase of 5-inch riser and 10-inch tread. Once the flooring work is done, we'll take the 1 inch of tread towards the extension in a granite, so that total we get tread around 11 inches and the riser will be same 5 inches. We have given 5 inches of treads so that elder person can climb the staircase comfortably. This is the tread. This part is the riser. We can see this folding staircase or chain staircase gives the beautiful ambience or beautiful aesthetics. In majority of the duplex constructions, we go for folding staircase for aesthetic purposes. For any outside or any non-aesthetic staircase purpose, we might go for the slabbed staircase where we get a waste slab below the stairs.